I know.
Hindi naman ako nakadala ng red wine. Nakalimutan ko.
Ayan, may red wine, oh. Wow, sexy.
Boy, I hope he didn't bring the dog.
Oo, thank you.
I hope he didn't bring the dog. Oh, wait a minute. There it is.
Oo, sabi ko kayo ba?
He brought me. Little girl. Okay.
Ang gandang bahay. Ang laki-laki. Ito sa Balibago. Balibago.